PT Bruiser is ready to get underway. Jeff is going to hit. Oh my goodness! And she's going off the end.
To whatever this is, it's a monument to whatever this is.
I just don't know. Like, okay, we got 12 of them out there over under. How many? What are we? 1, 2 finish?
Listen, this visual here, all it says to me is if meth were a car.
There is.
So yeah, listen, you asked a question. The over-under of finishing fee is 2.
Okay.
2.
Okay. We'll see. The field gets the 1 to go signal. We are ready to get this race underway. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the PT Bruiser presented by Rhino USA.
We're green.
We are green here at Indianapolis Raceway Park. Jim York already having a little bit of trouble getting going here as Tech's Choice is showing the way, and we'll see how many takers do we have on lap number 1 for the jump. First 2 have gone by, and it looks like everybody's like, you know what, we're going to ride a little bit here. We're going to save our stuff.
Oh, man.
As soon as I say that, no! Jump! And the front of that one is absolutely destroyed already.
Oh, my God.
The 113 of James Stannis, who was a late addition to this race. He has absolutely KO'd his car here on lap number 1.
That was big air. You saw just a huge nose down landing out there. But he kept the nose on the car, and he's going to be able to make the turn now. That's the big question. Oh, the right front is in huge trouble there. Huge trouble. He is going to be toast. That thing is dead.
The strategy seems to be probably don't hit the jump until you absolutely have to. But what do we know? New leader out front now. This is the Shred 80, and going to bypass the jump this time as the rest of the field comes by. It looks like Jim York, something is definitely amiss with his car. He's going for the jump on the left, trying to get it up on 2.
Oh, another massive landing out there. That was the blue entry. I mean, again, these things are so nose heavy. They're landing basically vertically.
And that one is absolutely toast over there in turn number 3. And now for the drivers that are going to come through there.
Shred 80's going.
Narrow things up just a little bit, and the 80, the right front, is definitely a miss there, and you see all the fluid that's already come pouring out of some of the car, and the 80 is toast. New leader now, the 134, heads out to the race lead. That, of course, is Troy Small as the field now having to dodge PT Cruisers that have now littered the pit lane.
Oh boy, we might have 2 of them trying to get in the jump at the same time. They're going end to end. Nope, they're going to skip it.
They're going to bypass it. Jeff Block, the Speedy Cop, the 32 coming in, and that, oh my goodness. I swear, one of these things, it looks like it's going to completely flip and rotate over, but just barely able to catch enough of the front of the car to stop it from rotating. This is
again, near pileup, you got 3 cars making that sweeping or the tight. Oh, there you go. He just hooked them.
The 134 has gone around, and now Jeff Block at Speedy Cop is closing in on the number 27 of John Moore. So here on this lap,
he's going to get underneath Moore. He's very close to getting underneath Moore.
Seth Frosty, the number 13, takes the jump as slow as we've seen anybody take the jump so far.
Speedy Cop came in way hot. That thing pushed outside. Moore might be able to get it back on the inside. Neither of those guys have hit the jump yet, which is why their cars are still capable of turning left.
So it's of note, Seth Frosty, the 27, there you see, if you hit the ramp at a little bit of a slow pace, you've got a better shot.
Oh my God.
Tech's Choice there, that was about as fast as I've seen anyone hit that jump so far. There's just so much action to keep up with there. You see Jeff Block is showing the way there on the left side of your screen, and you're just seeing all the chaos as Jeff is going to hit. Oh my goodness! And she's going off the end. Oh my goodness! Oh, he's upside down! He's up and over. The 32 machine is gone over. Red flag is out. And the safety crew quickly going to check.
Maybe the greatest living American right now. I am actually qualified as the greatest living American. He hit the ramp with probably 15 mile an hour, at least more than anybody else.
That was the absolute definition of full send if I've ever seen it before. He hit that ramp with so much speed and so much momentum, and there was absolutely nothing left on his car to try to stop him, and he's lucky he's not the pond over there, Brian.
Look, the dude drives around in an upside-down Camaro, right, or an upside-down boat car, so, you know, this is normal for him.
So it's only fitting now. I think he has to build an upside-down PT Bruiser.
Yes.
Okay, that's the one.
That car.
Wow. Jeff, I hope you're okay. Jeff, are you good? You good? You're good down there? Okay. That's unbelievable.
Folks, let him hear it one more time. You gave him a big one. We got out of the car. Now we can hear you. You got the range, brother.
We got you.
The range. Dude, Speedy Cop came down here, made a massive jump. I think we all saw it. He was completely 90 degrees to the ground. Somehow landed, bounced about 50 feet, and then he was able to pond. And he decided to put a left turn in it. Have to pay for some fencing here at Live Soil, Indianapolis Raceway Park, but he got her stopped, and it just is a slight rollover. Jim York, what do you think, brother?
I'm so happy right now. I know this is like the worst thing to say, but my car went into limp mode instantly off the start, so I was kind of bummed I wasn't able to do what I want to do. We did more than I anticipated, so this is amazing. He's good. That's the only reason this is awesome and not a more serious situation. We're probably gonna have to pay for a fence and back to the studio.
That's all right, brother. I got no pay for this fence. What do you guys think? That's all that matters. Hey, we should just leave it here during the race.
I like that idea, like a tombstone. To whatever this is, it's a monument to whatever this is.